So today I'm using the Zenchi machine because I have quite a compromised lower back at the moment. A little bit of pain, a little bit of tightness and tension, and maybe a hip that's out slightly. I know that the Zenchi is going to help relieve that discomfort and may even relax it enough that the hip, if it's out, will just slip quietly back into place. Lying down on your mat, your ankles in the ankle cradle. So using the remote control, we switch the swing button on. It comes up as 5 and we're going to take that down to 4 or 3 if you haven't used the machine before. So I use it on 3 or 4. We then use the timer, and if you're only just starting off on the Zenchi machine, 5 minutes only for a couple of times. Then move it up to 10. And you can then move it up to 15, which is the maximum we recommend that you have twice a day. So allowing your arms to rest beside your body to start with, and focus on relaxing. That's really important. Connect with your breath. If you are familiar with deep diaphragmatic breathing, I'm a yoga teacher, so diaphragmatic breathing is what I would be recommending that you use, which is breathing into the diaphragm. So you're breathing in, feeling the diaphragm rise, and breathing out and emptying the diaphragm. By concentrating on your breathing, perhaps you can come into a more relaxed space in your mind. It allows the side-to-side movement of this Zenchi machine to do its work. So the movement works from the feet all the way up through the neck, the shoulders, right up into the head. You'll feel this movement. The more you can relax, the more the movement will work on the soft tissue of the muscles. So when we have a lot of tension held in the muscles and the bones and the body and the ligaments, this movement will help to soften and relax and release those areas that are a problem. The other reason of using this wonderful machine, when we're tired, exhausted after a day's work, it is wonderful to bring energy. So what we're doing is allowing energy to move back into the body in a soft and gentle way. It's almost like we are energizing the body for movement, but it's not intense movement, it is gentle movement. We use the machine for increasing our circulation. It is wonderful for lymphedema, leg problems where the legs and feet are not getting enough circulation, jumpy legs, swollen legs, retaining fluid. This is a wonderful way of helping to relieve that condition. It works wonderfully when you have a lot of tension from sitting at a desk all day. It's also very beneficial for the likes of people who are in a job where it's quite strenuous physically, can get a lot of relief from just 10 minutes lying down and relaxing and letting the machine do its work. It's another way where the arms are just at shoulder level. You can take the arms all the way back as well if it feels okay, but you'll feel the difference. This will bring a different movement and a different release, perhaps a little higher up into the chest, the upper back. When the machine stops, don't be in a hurry to sit up. It's really important to allow the body just to rest for a little while. It doesn't have to be long. It can just 10 seconds, maybe 30 seconds. There's a tingling in different parts of the body, and that is the chi, the energy moving through the body. You'll feel it physically. It's a wonderful feeling. It gives you that sensation that all is well. When you are ready to get up, just gently bend the knees, roll to the side, and sit up. Since after 25 years of using this machine, I would never be without it, so every day, and have done for all these years.